Hi, Jack P. Nix families. I hope you have all had a restful and wonderful summer. I'm not a brand new face at Jack P. Nix, but I am new in my position. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Laura Hall, and I'm the new principal at Jack P. Nix Elementary School. I've been in education in the White County school system for 17 years, 7 of those serving at Jack P. Nix. I'm beyond excited to start the school year and look forward to seeing all of you this week at Open House.
Hello Raptors, my name is Lindsay Davenport and I am proud to serve as Jack P. Nix's assistant principal. This is my 15th year in education and my first year at JPN. I am so excited to see all of you at Open House this week.
This year's Open House is Wednesday, August 4th from 4 to 6 for 1st through 5th grades. Kindergarten teachers will be contacting all families to set up individual appointments to meet this week.
School starts this Friday, August the 6th. School hours are 7:15 until 2:45.
All morning drop-offs and afternoon pickups will be drive-through the car rider line. Just the same as last year, parents will not be escorting students into the building. The only exception is for kindergarten during the first 2 weeks of school. Kindergarten parents will be able to walk students to the doors at Pod D to meet a parapro to get breakfast. Kindergarten parapros will walk students to class. This will end on August 27th.
Students eating breakfast will eat in the cafeteria. If your child is not eating breakfast, they will go directly to their classroom when dropped off. At this time, there will be no breakfast visitors in the school.
At the open house, students will receive a pickup card. For afternoon pickups, guardians need to present the pickup card when driving through the line. If you do not have the card, you will need to park and walk up to the front office to show identification. Please remember, there will be no afternoon walk-ups during dismissal.
All breakfast and lunch will be free for students this year.
We look forward to seeing our students at Open House on Wednesday and then again at school on Friday. See you then!